Hello everyone, Pex Mandigid mo biyaan kay mabiyaan di igid malamian, and today's vlog we are here at Rockwell. Kakanta yan ng Rock Baby Rock, come into my life. Actually, I was just invited yesterday kasi absent si Nurse Jerome. So ayun, pagiging reliever na may walang forever, charot. Being your nurse, gagawin kayong first. So sa Rockwell, everything is well. So, hindi naman siya toxic. May kasama ko kaninang doctor. So, ayan guys. So, pasok tayo sa 8 Rockwell. So, maraming restaurants downstairs facing power plant. Yes, no need na tayo ng mga plants. Plants versus zombies. Plan like leche plan. Lesson plan. Lahat. So, ito, Pacific Cross. Yeah, very religious cross. Huy, cross ni Magellan na lang. Magagalit ang Diyos. So, ayun guys. So, this is the main entrance. And then, when you go inside, so let's go upstairs, not downstairs. Diba, social facing the whole Makati na hindi naman ako Makate. So, ayun guys, ang ganda ng kanilang spell ambience. O, yun na guys. Huwag na kayo mag-ask ng spelling ng ambience. So, yun guys. Walking, chilling. Walang shopping kasi ang mahal dito. This is the mall ng mga mayayaman. We're just poor. As in, we are just a feeling mayaman. Ayan, power plant. Marami dito mga artista na naglalakad, nagjogging. So, yun, maaga tayong dumating from our place. We live in Makati. So, in the coffee shop, ang ganda, diba? So, guys, if you have time, please drop by here in Rockwell. Bye for now. See you later, alligator!